All right, picture this. You're chilling on your couch, phone in hand, when suddenly you realize, hey, where does all our electricity actually come from? Most of it's from power plants stuck right here on Earth. But what if I told you the next big power source might be floating in space? Yep, I'm talking about space-based solar power stations. Sounds like sci-fi, but engineers are working on it right now. Here's the idea. In orbit, there's no pesky nighttime, no clouds, and the sun blasts down almost 24/7. So, satellites covered in solar panels could soak up a ton of energy. But wait, how do we get that power down to Earth? This is where it gets super cool. These orbital stations convert sunlight into microwave beams. Then they zap that energy down to massive receivers on the ground. Imagine a giant Wi-Fi hotspot, but for power. And don't worry, it's perfectly safe. The beams are spread out and carefully aimed so they don't accidentally zap your pizza rolls. Now you might be thinking, isn't space stuff crazy expensive? And yeah, it is right now. But thanks to reusable rockets and lighter materials, the price is dropping fast. Countries like Japan, China, and the US are already testing small prototypes. Some experts think we could see the first working orbital power station in the next decade. Why is this such a big deal? Of course, there are still huge challenges. Building giant structures in orbit is tough, and we have to make sure the microwave beams don't go rogue. Well, space solar could give us clean, non-stop energy anywhere on Earth, even in the middle of a rainforest out in the desert. It could power entire cities, help during disasters, and even make charging your phone a global breeze. And get this, since it's all solar, it cuts way down on pollution. But if we pull it off, space-based solar could totally change how we power our lives. So next time you plug in your phone, imagine a future where that energy comes straight from a satellite cruising above the clouds. Space-based solar power, it's not just rocket science, it's the future of clean energy. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic energy adventure. If you thought this was cool, hit that like button and subscribe for more wild science stories.